Howdy, Dr. Chase Cunningham here. I'm going to run through a pretty interesting, I think, use case of solving a problem with a applied control. So here we go. Imagine that I've got a user and they're on my secure system. So I'm running them through my agent, which is doing all the cool agent things on the back end. And I'm going to just let them use the internet because that's how this thing was built. So all I've done is connect, do what you need to do, go on about your day, live your life. ZT is applied. Yes, there are other things that you might throw into this mix, but in this particular context, you're enabling zero trust with this thing. So here it is. I'm up and connected. Notice I didn't do another login, another password. It used my biometrics and auth me. I did my little look over there. That was it. Now my machine is doing what it needs to do. I'm going to run through typical browsing scenario and go look at a site that I shouldn't look at because I have a policy that says thou shalt not look at pornography. Site is blocked. If I try and go to an internal resource, I can get to an internal resource. No more VPN, no more whatever. Now, let's go through the anomaly side of this really quickly. So imagine that I'm sitting here in my SOC or my MSSP partner side, or just looking at what's going on the internet, and I'm sitting here administering. I'm doing the administer things. So here's my cat, my person, my user Chase that's logged in. That little blip in the center of the country is where my data center is. And I need to figure out what's going on. Now notice I have 4 users logged in right now. All of them tell me when they logged on, their username, the gateway they're using, their private public IP translation, gives me the country, city, and region of origin. But Chase down there at the bottom, which is me, my user, for some reason, something weird is going on. I don't see a city or a region for Chase. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe it's a problem. Maybe that's someone trying to cloak their attack vector to get in. How do we solve this problem? Well, I'm just going to get Chase off of my network right now so that I can go fix the problem and figure out what's going on in a minute. All I did was say 10 minutes, I want him off my network. I clicked apply and pushed, and Chase is gone. Notice he just got booted off my network. I didn't ruin his day. His internet still does internet things, but he's just no longer active on my system. Your connection is not functioning properly. Fine, turn the agent off and go off and use the internet. Chase is doing what Chase needs to do. We haven't interrupted his day. We haven't ruined his life. We saw an anomaly. We knew that he was up and running. We administered the issue and we bumped him. 10 minutes to go fix the problem. I've isolated, managed, controlled that access, and I can live with this. This is a very simple and not all-inclusive demonstration of how to use zero trust applied to eliminate the threat that a risk might present.